How to enable or disable sensitive content on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, what you simply need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. It will lead you to settings and activity options over here. So just scroll down, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the options of content preferences under the category of what you see. So tap on content preferences, and here you can see the option of sensitive content. So tap on sensitive content, and as you do that, here you can choose how much sensitive content you would want to see. You want to see less, standard, or more. So right now, if you want to have less or disable the sensitive content on Instagram, you can just tap on less. If you want to have more of sensitive content, then you can just tap on more. If it's a medium version, then you can just tap on the standard option over here. You can choose whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on the less one, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.